Hi guys, this is me Max and this is my first ever video or vlog in my school and and I hope you guys would love this video and I hope soon I can post more about me and a day in life of me in my school. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Bye.
Non-verbal pa kami ngayon. Present.
Hi, Nani Gatsby. So guys, today, kami lang present. Yung mga friends naman is present.
Ano na microphone?
Charge ko pa local. I'm gonna bring it tomorrow na nagaro. So guys, today this is my outfit. This is like a long sleeve top that I got from Thrift. I thrifted for like 60 pesos. This is like the design of my mga white tita, mga nima ko. Sige, talaga mga nima ko. Ito siya. So I just, ang little ito siya. This is my pants. This is my shoes. This is my bag. This is my bag. So mag-go in my bag tayo because yeah, wala pa kami class.
ano, kung Kat A. Hello!
Pasok kami sa favorite place natin. Saan ka pupunta?
Hindi chinek ng guard yung bag ko. Hindi niya alam yung...
Ma-date kami, pero... Yeah. So guys, we're here at SM na. So we're gonna stroll along here and like... find something. It's a coupon! What's this, a Burger King coupon? What is something? Kaya mo kami.
Bakit ang swerte ka?
Wala, may dinay. Wala na kami yung logo. Guys, so may coupon.
Para biga ka talaga? Kasi hindi sila parehas pero...
Pwede sila? Sila din siguro?
Ayaw.
Yes lang. Bye guys! We're here now. Hi guys, nag-wave kami ni Ray. At ito siya. So I got the Whopper Junior and oh, this one. Fries and onion rings, I think. Wait, what you got?
What I got is
What
the plant-based Whopper Junior. Plant-based.
Go on, yun lang outside.
No!
I like it. So we're eating right now. Sabi ko kasi hindi ako kakain or like yeah, gagastos. But look at me now. You have to learn. I don't know why. We end up buying this one. Grabe sila mga meme ako. Dragon talaga.
Ito na yung nilagay ko sa lips ko na mukha siyang napaka-accessible. Really?
Masarap. It's juicy, it's very... I love... It's juiciness.
Hmm? Take a bite.
It is the same, but the meat is not.
Mag-take mo kasi mag-bite. Pero kung... Bata, same na lang.
Hindi sama-sama no. Masarap. Plant with the toad. Grabe talaga mga muna ko. Sobrang sarap talaga. Kahit ano guys. Ano sound yan? May motor na ba? Ano ba siya guys? Look at the fries. The fries is on big too. And this one is big too. Difference niya ay patata siya. Ito on
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ano pong order ninyo? Ate, pa-order po ako ng cheeseburger. Wait lang po. Ito na po yung cheeseburger.
Ang taklabe!
There, we're going.
Taklabe!
Girl, ito nagbae! Girl!
So hi guys, this is me again, and thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys loved it. It's just like a short and quick video or vlog of me in a day. So yeah, see you guys on my next one if meron. So bye!